Hello students, how are you? Today I have to do distance formula of coordinate geometry exercise 19.4 from ML Agarwal. Okay, this is my marker. This is rubbing tools. Okay, first of all, to the distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Exercise 19.4 ML Agarwal. Class 9. Okay, so we know that coordinates are x and y. If this coordinate taken as the 2 points are there to A and B, then one coordinate taken as x comma x1 y1 or other coordinates taken as x2 y2. From these two coordinates, the distance is, by using this formula we can easily calculate. First take a sums from 19.4. I have ML Agarwal books. First, question number 3. Find the value of A if the distance between the point A minus. Okay, I write firstly, not this. Nineteen point four. So first question, value of A is minus 3 comma minus 14, and the value of B is A comma minus 5. Find the value of A if the distance between these points, take this simply as A and B. This is the linear line. A and B are 2 points, and the coordinate of A is minus 3 comma minus 14, and the B is A comma minus 5. If the distance between the points A and B is 9 units, if distance between them is 9 units, find the value of A. How to find this? Take this coordinate minus 3 comma minus 14. Take this coordinate minus 3 comma minus 14 as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now we usually calculate AB equals to A minus, within brackets, minus 3 whole square plus, that is x2 minus x1, A minus minus 3, and minus 5 minus minus 14. Clear? Minus 5 minus 14. Now we get A plus 3 minus minus plus, we know that, whole square plus minus 5 plus 14 whole square. Here we get A plus 3 whole square, and this is the 9 square. I write this on the upper side. This is the A plus 3 whole square and 9 square equal to 9 units. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. under a plus 3 whole square and plus 9 squares, square root is leaves out and a plus 3 whole square and 9 square is there and the 9 is square. We know that both side 9 square equal to and both have a same sign plus, so it will be cancelled out. A plus 3 whole square, now it is a 0, a plus 3 equals to 0, a equals to minus 3. The value of a is minus 3. Okay, 19.4 question number 3 completed. Now I take a questions to easily calculate. Find the point on the x-axis which, question number 4.1, find the points on the x-axis which are at a distance 5 units from the point 5 comma minus 4. So question number 4.1, find the point on the x-axis. First of all, x-axis means x comma 0. If it is y-axis, then 0 comma y. The question here is find the point on the x-axis are at a distance 5 units from the point 5 comma minus 4. Distance is 5 units. Distance is 5 units and the point is 5 comma minus 4. Let's take the point as a 5 comma minus 4. Take a line first of all as x-axis, so horizontal line. Okay, take A, take B, take this is as a x comma 0 and this is as a 5 comma minus 4 and the distance between is 5 units. Clear? Now by using distance formula, AB square, first of all I do the squaring on both sides. AB square equals to 5 square. AB means x minus 5. Why? Because this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So x minus 5 whole square, sorry, squaring on both sides, x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus minus 4 whole square equals to 25. Now get x minus 5 whole square plus 4 whole square equals to 25. I put this on the upper sides. This board x minus 5 whole square, sorry, x minus 5 whole square plus 16 equal to 25. X minus 5 whole square equals to 25 minus 16 and that is 9. X minus 5 whole square equals to 9. If we square root on both sides, then x minus 5 equals to square root 9 and that is 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. So x minus 5 equals to 3, x equals to minus 5 plus 5 plus 3 and that is 8. The point is 8 comma 0 is your answer. Okay. Now I take another questions to solve easily. The most important question in this chapter is question number 14. Using distance formula so that the point A, B, C are collinear. Let's take a line A. Here is 3 comma 1, B here is 6 comma 4, and C is 8 comma 6. This is a linear line. A, B and C are collinear. To prove this, you take suppose AB, A take as x1 y1 and B take as x2 y2. To recapitulate the values, x1 y1 take 6 comma 4, x2 y2 as you would a rough work, and it is can be easily for doing this maths. So 6 minus 3 whole square, then 4 minus 1 whole square, 6 minus 3, 3 square, 3 square, and that is a 9 plus 9. We get 18, root under 18. Root under 18 means 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. That is 3 root 2. Again, BC. Take as BC, it is take x1 y1 and it takes x2 y2. 8 minus 6 plus 6 minus 4 whole square. 8 minus 6, 2 square, 2 square. 4 plus 4, root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2. And this is a 3 root 2. AB and BC. Now we can calculate the distance between AC. AC 8 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square, 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, that is a 50. 50 means 5 5 is 25, 25 2 is 50. That is a 5 root 2. At the first, we know that AB value is root 18. So AB plus BC equals to AC. We can easily calculate a root 8, 3 root 2 and 2 root 2. That is 5 root 2. Hence proved. Okay, it's clear. The next question is question number 18. So that the points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. We know about the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle have two equal sides. Isosceles triangles two types. One is a two equal sides and the base, and another is a right angle isosceles triangles. So there is no nothing to calculate whether it is a right angle or simple isosceles triangle. So question number 18. Take a point is 7 comma 10. B point minus 2 comma 5, and the C point is 3 comma minus 4. Okay, again we can calculate AB. First one, minus 2 minus 7, 5 minus 10, minus 9 square, minus 5 square, (106). Then BC 3 minus minus 2, that is a plus 2, plus minus 4 minus 5 square, again 5 square plus 9 square, 5 square plus 9 square, you know that, 106 again. Next and AB and BC both are 106. It can be proved that it is a isosceles triangle because both sides are equal. So, but we need to prove the AC also. So AB and BC both are root under 106. Now AC equals to 3 minus 7 whole square plus minus 4 minus 10 whole square. So we get minus 4 whole square as minus 14 whole square. So 4 minus 4 whole square is 16, minus 14 whole square 196. 200, sorry, 212 root under 212. We know that AB plus BC equals to AC, and that is 106 plus 106 equals to 212. So AB and BC are both at the equal sides, so hence it is a isosceles triangle. So three sums I have been completed, and the three sums are most important sums. I think it can clear your views for the other sums. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me like. Thank you.